This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan.challender. Stunning remodel with brand new design, open floor plan with fireplace, gourmet kitchen with granite counters, new cabinets, stainless appliances to be installed this week, luxury plank floors, new carpet, windows, newer HVAC, plumbing, water heater, new bathrooms, fixtures, lighting, mirrors, ceiling fans, new walls and paint, interior and exterior doors, new landscaping, and this 3/2 with 1,600 plus square feet beach style ranch near Oceana, oceanfront, in Landstown Schools, award football program. For more information, review the details below.